How to change video resolution to 4K in CapCut. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the video resolution to 4K in CapCut. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open your CapCut application on your mobile device, and here tap on the new project and select the video you'd like to edit from your device. Or you may also open the existing one from the project section. After doing that, you will reach to the editing space. Here, if you would like to make any necessary edits to a video, such as adding effects, text or audio, you can add it by using the tools at the bottom. And now, once you are ready to export your video, here at the top, you will be able to see the resolution option, and then a pop-up menu will appear from the top. Here you will see the resolution option. Simply you will need to slide the slider to the 2K/4K. Now your video will be exported to ultra high definition, and once after selecting it, now you can tap on the export button at the top right in order to save your video in 4K resolution. Once after exporting it, you can now go to your gallery and find the video. Also ensure that your device supports 4K playback and that you have the enough storage space for high resolution videos. Also, if you are using the older devices or versions of CapCut, some features may not be available, so make sure to keep the app updated for optimal performance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.